Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create websites and widgets using your Airtable data, making it super easy to keep it up to date by just updating a field in your Airtable. It's super easy. You can create all kinds of things like digital product catalogs with search bars, sorting, filters, and even buy now and add to cart buttons. You can also create property listing pages to showcase the properties that you're selling, events directories, testimonial walls, job board, and even dynamic charts that update all directly from your Airtable base. It's super easy, so I'll show you how to do it. So all you need to do is sign up for shareables, dive into the product, choose a widget that you like, and click Use Template. After you've done that, choose your data source as Airtable, and then press Continue. Then connect your Airtable account. When you connect a new account with Airtable, as long as you're logged into Airtable, you can now add all your resources, add the bases. If you're going to use different bases in future, press Add All, and then grant access. Once you've granted access, you can decide whether you want to use your existing data if you've already got stuff you want to use, or Shareables can even create you a sample table for you to start fresh. I'm going to do this to show it off. Now that you've connected your data source and your template's been chosen, you'll land into the Shareables editor. In here, you can update and change all the styles to make your widget your own. So for example, over here, I can change information like the cover image or add additional fields, and there's many fields that you can choose from. I can even add buttons like buy now buttons or compare buttons. I can even update the filters. So I can choose different layouts, the search bars, the filters, the sorting, and so much more. When you're happy with how the website's looking, hit publish in the top corner. After successfully publishing, you can now choose how you want to use your widget. You can either add it back to your own website by using a script tag or an iframe code. You can even host your own widget through Shareables and have your own custom domains or subdomains. When we go to preview the widget, we can see all of our information directly in here. At any point, if we want to update any of this information, all we need to do is head over here to the Source tab, open our Airtable base, and in Airtable, we can directly adjust the content inside our widget. And this updates every minute once the changes have been made. So you never have to go back through and republish your widget. It'll automatically update. Dive on in, give it a go. It only takes 5 minutes.